I'm Councillor Jo Hale, Cabinet Member for Adult Social Services and Health. I'm here today with the Council's Local Area Coordinator, come to have a look at the group, the 7 Arches, which has been set up with the help of the Local Area Coordinator. By making these community groups, I think it makes a big difference to people because they've got a sense of well-being where they can join a group and get out there and do something good for their community.
I'm Jane Coleman, Local Area Coordinator of the Afan Valley. This group came about, I was supporting the environment group in Gwynfi, and they had told me about a gentleman down in Cymru named Tiff who wanted to do the same sort of work as what they were doing up there, maybe on a bigger scale. Give me Tiff's number, I contacted Tiff, found out what his short, medium and long-term goals were for a group. He had volunteers, we met. We set up a constitution, pulling in another partner organisation, a bank account, looked at the health and safety of the group, connected him with a local councillor so he could have a licence for the area as well, and made sure that he had all the health and safety in process as well. He had lots of skills that he wanted to give back to his group, and the main thing is I supported Tiff to get the funding that he needed to train the group and the tools that he needed to set it up as well. Maybe I was the glue at the beginning for the group, maybe to set up and get their organisation set up. I'm a bit like Nanny McPhee now, I've stepped away and the group are growing on their own.
Neath Talbot Council take this very seriously because we believe that it helps people's mental health and well-being. It's a fantastic way to get people out working together within their community.